When water damage strikes, CPR24 Restoration is the trusted name across Toronto and the GTA, restoring homes and businesses quickly, safely, and professionally. From condos and family homes to busy offices and commercial properties, we handle it all from the first emergency response to the final coat of paint. We specialize in 24/7 emergency water damage restoration, responding to burst pipes, basement floods, ceiling leaks, and sewage backups with speed and accuracy. CPR24 Restoration also offers certified mold removal and remediation. This includes toxic black mold removal. With advanced equipment, certified technicians, and rapid response times, CPR24 Restoration delivers peace of mind when you need it most. Need asbestos removal? Our licensed professionals follow strict safety protocols to ensure your space is healthy and safe. We're here 24/7, bringing your property back to life, one expert step at a time. So when the unexpected happens, don't wait. Call CPR24 Restoration.